We're looking at the aft shower sump on this boat. We found this hose was loose and we discovered it's dripping. This is the air conditioner condensate drip hose. It's supposed to go in that hole. It's a homemade hole. Should put a hose barb and screw it in place. See the little bilge pump here, the red piece? The white piece right there is the float switch, and the float switch is not operable. So to make this work, we need to turn on the shower sump. This. And you can hear it pumping out. So that way the shower would go straight in there, and then the float would go up and down to pump it out. But we need to fix this sooner than later, because the air conditioner condensate is draining into that tank and we want to pump it overboard that way. Other things to look at, you can see it's wet down there. That's because this was laying loose, dripping into the bilge. And we don't know what this is for, but that's a fuse in a yellow rubber waterproof boot. That's a fuse. And you can see the bilge is a little wet down there, a little wet here. We've got a hose capped off. We don't know what that's about. Want to put a hose clamp on there because that wooden plug is half of the solution. The other half is putting a hose clamp on it. And we've got a through hull fitting right here that's been plugged, which is good. It's got a bronze plug, not brass, bronze plug. But we don't know what that seacock or through hull fitting is for. You can see the handle right there. So we're going to have to get a screwdriver, open this up, and fix the float switch or replace the float switch. So that's a job that we should do sooner than later.